Hello everyone, this is the Unit 1 help video. We're going to start out by looking at the Unit 1 calendar. So the first week of Unit 1, we start on Thursday, September 4th, narrative, techniques, and structure. With Lesson 1, workshop, academic and domain-specific words. And then Friday, September 5th, we'll do Unit 1, Lesson 2, workshop, narrative arc, and central idea. So then Monday the 8th, we will start Unit 1, Lesson 3, arc and central idea, the Oasis Africa. And Tuesday the 9th, we will finish Lesson 3. Wednesday the 10th, we will follow a half-day schedule, synchronous in the morning, asynchronous in the afternoon. We will do an assignment preparation and expectations for the 1.13 modify a short story. Thursday the 11th, we will start Lesson 4, arc and central idea, the interlopers. Friday the 12th, we will finish Lesson 4 and we will take the 1.04 quiz. The 1.04 quiz is due on Friday, September 12th. So then Monday, September 15th, we will do Unit 1, Lesson 5, workshop, point of view, and narrator's reliability. Tuesday the 16th, we will do Lesson 8, workshop, author's viewpoint and purpose. Wednesday the 17th and Thursday the 18th, we will be working in Lesson 9, viewpoint and purpose, the final assault. Friday the 19th, we will start Lesson 10, viewpoint and purpose, the dream comes true. Monday, September 22nd, we will finish Unit 1, Lesson 10, and we will take the 1.10 quiz. The 1.10 quiz is due on Monday, September 22nd. So then we're off, no school on Tuesday the 23rd. Wednesday the 24th is our AD01, so advisory in the morning and our Agora day out in the afternoon. Thursday the 25th, we will do our Unit 1 Lesson 11, which is our unit review. Friday the 26th, we'll start working in Unit 1 Lesson 12, which is the test. We will start working in the Linkit assignment, Unit 1 Test and CR. In Linkit, it is called 2025-26, English 9, Unit 1A, CA, Narrative Technique. Monday the 29th, we will finish our Unit 1 Lesson 12 for the constructed response, and we'll finish that Linkit assignment, Unit 1 Test and CR. The Unit 1 Test and CR in Linkit is due on Monday, September 29th. So then Tuesday the 30th, we will start working on our short story assignment, Unit 1 Lesson 13 workshop short story. We'll brainstorm and plan. Wednesday, October 1st, we'll do lessons 14 and 15, draft a short story A and B, and we will write our short stories. Then Thursday, October 2nd, and Friday, October 3rd, we are off, no school for those 2 days. So then Monday, October 6th, we will continue working in our short story assignment, Unit 1 Lesson 17, revise a short story edit, revise, and proofread. Tuesday the 7th, we will have a short story work day to finish and submit. The short story assignment in Linkit is due on Tuesday, October 7th. In Linkit, It is called 2025-26 English 9 Q1 Narrative Writing Short Story. So then we will finish our Unit 1 on Wednesday, October 8th. We will follow the half-day schedule that day, synchronous in the morning, asynchronous in the afternoon, with our Unit 1 catch-up, remediation, and enrichment day, where our Unit 1 retakes are optional and they will be available. So if we look in the online course and we go into modules, here we have our Unit 1A narrative techniques. In here is the calendar that we just looked at. Nearpod links are in here. Lesson slides will be in here as well, and help videos will be in here. So then we have our lesson modules. 1.01, Narrative Techniques and Structure Workshop, Academic and Domain-Specific Words. 1.02, Workshop, Narrative Arc and Central Idea. 1.03, Narrative Arc and Central Idea, the Oasis Africa. 1.04, Narrative Arc and Central Idea, the Interlopers. 1.05, Workshop, Point of View and Narrator's Reliability. 1.08, Workshop, Author's Viewpoint and Purpose. 1.09, Viewpoint and Purpose, The Final Assault. 1.10, Viewpoint and Purpose, The Dream Comes True. 1.11 is our unit review. 1.12 is the unit test. 1.13 is our workshop short story. 1.14 and 1.15 is draft a short story A and B. And 1.17 is revise a short story. Okay, in each module lesson, you can see there are several parts of the lesson. Get ready, learn, practice, sometimes a review. Okay, again, get ready, learn, and practice. Okay, sometimes, so you'll go through all of the parts and pieces in each module lesson. The assignments in Unit 1 are in Lesson 1.04, the 1.04 quiz, 1.10, the 1.10 quiz, the unit test 1.12, which is done in Linkit, and the retakes are there available as well. And the 1.13 assignment, modify a short story, which is in Linkit also. So if we go into grades, okay, so we're in grades. The graded assignments for Unit 1 in order of due date. We have the 1.04 quiz, which is due on September 12th, worth 7 points. The 1.10 quiz, due on September 22nd, worth 5 points. The Unit 1 test and CR in Linkit, due on September 29th, worth 50 points. The 1.13 assignment, modify a short story, which is done in Linkit as well, is due by October 7th and worth 40 points. The retakes for Unit 1, the short story retake, the Unit 1 CR retake, and the Unit 1 test retake will be open and available until the end of Q1, and those are replacement points. So that's it for our Unit 1 help video.